Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new Apple account, also known as an Apple ID, directly on your iPhone. With this account, you can download apps from the App Store, use iCloud, back up your data, sync your contacts, photos, messages, and use many other Apple services. So let's start. First, open Settings on your iPhone. At the top, you will see the Apple Account option. Tap on it. Here, Apple will ask about the age category. This option is important because Apple uses it to manage content, apps, and restrictions according to the user's age. If you are creating this account for your child, select the child option. But if you are creating it for yourself, select the adult option. Now enter your date of birth. This is very important. Please enter your real date of birth because if you ever forget your Apple account password, Apple may use your birthday for account recovery. So do not enter random information here. Always use details that you can remember later. And here, you need to enter your email address. If you already have a Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, or any other email address, you can use that email for your Apple account. But if you do not have an email address, you can tap on the option that says you do not have an email address, and Apple will allow you to create a new iCloud email address. Now continue to the next step. After that, you need to create a password for your Apple account. Your password should be strong. It must be at least 8 characters long, and it should include at least one uppercase letter, one number, and a combination of letters. Choose a password that is strong but easy for you to remember. Now continue. Next, Apple will ask you to add a phone number. This step is also very important because your phone number helps you recover your account if you forget your password or if your account gets locked. I strongly recommend using your real phone number here. If you do not verify the phone number right now, you may see an option like verify later. You can tap that and verify it later, but remember, using your real number is always the safest option. Do not use a fake phone number because later, if you forget your password or need to recover your account, you may face serious problems. Also, when you create an Apple account and sign in on your iPhone, Find My iPhone may turn on automatically. Find My iPhone is a security feature. It protects your device if it is lost or stolen. But remember, if you cannot access your Apple account later and Find My iPhone is enabled, your iPhone may ask for the same Apple account after reset. So always keep your Apple account email, password, phone number, and birthday safe. Now continue. Apple will show the terms and conditions. Tap agree. After that, your iPhone will start signing into your new Apple account. Sometimes you may see a notification or pop-up saying that the account has been created, but you still need to verify your email address. So now go to your email inbox, open the email you used while creating the Apple account. You should receive an email from Apple with a verification button or verification link. Open that email and tap on verify. This will verify your email address and complete your Apple account setup. Now come back to your iPhone and continue the setup. Now open Settings again. At the top, you should see your Apple account signed in successfully. Now tap on your Apple account name. Here you can check your email address, iCloud settings, Find My iPhone, and other Apple services. Now we need to make sure this account also works with the App Store. For that, go to Media and Purchases. Tap on it and continue. This will connect your new Apple account with App Store downloads and media purchases. Now open the App Store, search for any app you want to download. For example, I am downloading TikTok here. When you download an app for the first time, Apple may ask you to enter your Apple account password. Enter your password and continue. You may also see Apple Media Services terms and conditions. Tap agree. Now your app will start downloading. That's it. Your Apple account is now ready. You can use it to download apps from the App Store, use iCloud, back up your iPhone data, sync your photos, contacts, messages, and enjoy Apple services. But again, make sure you remember your email, password, date of birth, and phone number. These details are very important for account recovery. If you want to support my channel, please check out my Powlexa screen protector for iPhone. This is my own brand, available on Amazon. Your support helps me continue making useful iPhone tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.